Hello everyone, this is Nishant. Well, it's actually Nishant's hands, and today I have my hands on something very special and momentous. This is the OnePlus 7 Pro unveil. Well, it's the unveil at the Stuff headquarters, and to make it special, OnePlus has sent us this very special and customized t-shirt with my name on it, which I'm just going to take it off. And it all starts with this little invite, which is the invite ticket for the OnePlus launch event in Bangalore. And it has a little message from the CEO and the founder of OnePlus, but we don't need that right now. What we're interested is in the goodie bag, and this is the OnePlus 7 Pro reviewers box. This is not the box that will be seen in the market when you go out and buy yourself a OnePlus 7 Pro. What we get is a nice bright reviewer's guide. This has all the specs and highlights of the phone itself, which is going to be very handy when we start reviewing the product. Inside you have a cleaning cloth, again in the bright red OnePlus brand color, and the two main boxes which everybody is waiting for. This is the 7 Pro itself, which will be opening in just a bit. They also have a new iteration of the OnePlus Bullets headphones. Now it's the wireless version. This is called the Bullets Wireless 2. And also for people who want the Warp Charge on the go, this is the car adapter. If you are on the move all the time, you can actually charge your phone within 10 minutes for a full day's charge. So that's pretty cool. It's a nice addition to have. And usually OnePlus has a lot of secret compartments in their reviewers boxes just as a treat and Easter eggs. So we found one right here. You pull this flap out and it actually reveals two fantastic covers for the OnePlus 7 Pro. Also gives you a hint of the triple lens camera layout. So these are the two covers, both very well finished. It's got felt lining on the inside and a very nice carbon fiber sort of a finish on the outside. That is like a sandstone, like the original OnePlus sandstone finish. But again, what we're interested now is the real meat of the sandwich, and that is the 7 Pro. This is the actual device that we've been waiting for a long time, for almost a year now, since the last 6 was out, and this is the 7 Pro in all its glory. It's actually a full screen device, beautifully finished, and it has the traditional S line that OnePlus has on most of its flagship phones and finishes, and they spend a lot of time trying to perfect that finish. Let's switch it on and so as you can see, this is a completely full screen display. The chin is a bare minimum. It's in fact the smallest chins I've seen on smartphones in a very long time, barring the iPhone 10 and the 10s. On the top, this is as bezel-free as you can get because it has a pop-up camera now. It has a 16 megapixel front camera which pops up. At the back you have the triple lens system, again a 48 megapixel primary camera along with a telephoto and a wide angle. So this is the very first look at the OnePlus 7 Pro, which has just been out a few hours back. For the full in-depth review where we go under the skin of the device, stay tuned to all the Stuff accounts including Twitter, Instagram and Facebook. We'll be having a completely in-depth review soon on the website as well, and stay tuned for the June edition of Stuff as well.